Celestial, and I will let Julie explain a little bit the educational part. In the meantime, I will show with my screen the game.
All right, thank you, Marco. So Celestial is a lunar exploration and base management game that immerses players in a variety of activities and challenges. It's set in 2030, and the players join a robot crew on the moon base, simulating a moon settlement for space colonization. After a supply cargo explosion damages the station, players must repair systems, analyze data, and ensure mission success, contributing to humanity's preparation for lunar habitation. The game engages players in building critical skills across disciplines from scientific reasoning and life sciences to Earth and space exploration. It fosters curiosity, problem solving, and practical thinking. Celestial empowers learners to understand the world and succeed in future challenges. This is set for ages 8 through 14 and the grade bands 3 through 9, and it is a multiplayer game. Now, in all of our games, we are pulling from and referencing our Common Core standards, next generation science standards, and of course, our career and technology and education standards to focus on engineering design, scientific inquiry, and technological application. So you'll see some of those here as Marco demos this game. You'll see engineering design and problem solving, scientific inquiry, and data analysis.
Okay, so I will explore the moon base. We prepared for our robot astronauts. The players will impersonate the robots that are planned to colonize the moon, and while they do so, they will face some challenges and learn interesting facts about the moon. For example, we decided to add initially some educational content using posters, but we also have to gather resources. We explain over here, for example, how the composition of the lunar soil is made. And after exploration, we also have farming on the greenhouse. Let me reach that. We explain how farming in space or in low pressure environment and atmospheric with a different atmosphere can be done using different systems like aeroponic, geoponic, and hydroponic. Over here, we also have explanation regarding photosynthesis, and if we want, we can also head outside after closing properly the airlock, and we can explore the Shackleton crater. This is the real-life location we have chosen to place our gaming. This is a large crater in the south pole of the moon, and one portion of it is going to be explorable. We also made the ridge of the crater explorable where the direct sunlight hits, and it's a problematic place because there are radiation going on over there, so the players will be able to only be there for a short amount of time, and many things will be kept in consideration to keep everything scientific, and alongside that, we also plan to make it entertaining, of course, having resource gathering and base management features added to the gameplay. And that's all I wanted to share for Celestial.